Hi Xsens users, if you are a link owner, I think it's important for you to know that by default your ASIS is set up as an access point and the included body pack is paired to it. There is no need to change anything or set up the ASIS in any way unless you would like the ASIS to be a part of your local area network in your home or office. If this is what you want, then I suggest watching my tutorial called ASIS Best Practices and Troubleshooting Techniques. However, a better approach to using the Xsens link suite is to simply keep the ASIS in access point mode and separate from your local area network in your home or office. The ASIS in this state should not interfere with your internet, and your PC can be a host in two separate network configurations. Let me show you what I mean. My computer is currently connected to my office Wi-Fi network, and my ASIS access point is also connected to my PC via an Ethernet cable. I get internet access from my wireless LAN, and I get a link hardware connection through the ASIS access point. When I run the command prompt and type ipconfig, you'll notice that my PC is assigned multiple IP addresses due to these separate network configurations. One is associated to the wireless LAN, and the other is an automatic private IP address like this. This automatic private IP is what I expect from the ASIS access point that isn't connected to the network of my home or office. Because of this, I expect the link body pack to also have an automatic private IP address since it's paired to the ASIS access point. To check this, I'm going to turn on my body pack and wait for the happy noise. The happy noise is like doo doo doo. Then I connect my body pack to my PC using the included micro USB cable, and I load the body pack's web interface by typing 172.16.0.1. When the link body pack web interface loads, it looks like this. And if I scroll down to IP address under wireless LAN, you'll notice that it too has an automatic private IP. This is exactly what I need to get a hardware connection in MBN. If for some reason you are unable to get a hardware connection in MBN, chances are the IP address of the body pack and your PC reflect different networks, and there lies the issue. Here's a quick example. The link body pack is connected to the proper SSID, and it's still getting an automatic private IP address as it should. However, when I check my PC's IP, you'll notice that it is now getting an IP from the LAN in my office. This will cause an issue in trying to connect my link hardware to my MBN session. The easiest way to solve this is to disconnect your home or office LAN from the ASIS access point and allow all devices to assign itself automatic private IP addresses. I hope this information was useful. See you in the next tutorial.